Okay, this is the update for my game for this week. So we have the game on iPhone. Let me open that. So yeah, I can start. So here we can see some drops coming from the sky. So I can collect them. I can collect YouTube and Stack Overflow icons. But if I hit with Twitter icon, so I lose 3 seconds. I cannot do anything. Yeah, we should avoid Twitter as possible as we can. So that's how we score. So each drop you collect is one task. So yeah, only YouTube and Stack Overflow. So that's the game. So you need to collect these things for 60 seconds, and you need to score more. That's the game. So I'm trying to add a multiplayer mode as well as some history leaderboard kind of thing. So that's the idea. And of course I need to improve graphics and some minor things. The main game flow is here. I'm pretty much okay with that. So this is my first game, and yeah, it is cool. Right, this week while I'm doing that, I had to use some event system. So I try to use C Delegates, which is pretty interesting. So I create a blog post on detailing what I did with some example game. If you want to know about that, I add the link in the description as well as the example repo, and try to see the game yourself. Right, this is it, and see you next week.